Hi everyone, it's Rachel here, and I am here with my stitch collaboration, and it's my block from Anne. So I have to apologize to Anne. I did receive it about a week ago, and I quarantined it for a few days, and then it ended up sitting under a few things, and I didn't see it and I forgot about it, so I'm very sorry about that. And so I'm very excited to open this, and I'm so sorry it's taken me a little while to do it, but here we are finally. And then will be waiting for, I think, just my sister's one. So look at this fabric, isn't that pretty? Oh, it's gorgeous, Anne. Oh, everything's so perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's just move this out of the way because it's, oh my goodness. Oh, just got to take it in, guys. So it's on a piece of antique quilt, and so wonderful. See, if I'd opened it, I could have been inspired for my blanket stitch. Wonderful blanket stitched on here, this piece of fabric, and then beautiful antique lace. Look at that, and stitching in all of the little details. Some lovely ticking. I absolutely love ticking. I'm just trying to take it all in. There's the, oh, I don't know which one that is. Is that the fly stitch or the other one, feather stitch? I don't know. I think it's the fly stitch, the one I got wrong. And then some knots. Oh no, they look like little teeny tiny bullion stitches. Are they, or are they knots? I can't tell. Maybe little knots. No, that looks like a bullion stitch to me. Anyway, we'll move on. Gorgeous coloured buttons. Absolutely love those. Beautiful Suffolk pucks. And look at all of that stitching around there. Just gorgeous. And then this looks like a little piece of wool or felt that's been punched out. How cool is that? And then little knots. They're knots. I can see those are knots. Some, what do you call it? Some twirly sort of fabric. Beautiful old fabric there. Some linen. Love those laundry buttons. And then the garment pins, and this gorgeous heart and that flower over there. It's just wonderful. I just love it, Anne. And hexies. I didn't mention the hexies behind. It is gorgeous. Thank you so much. And then, oh, I forgot to bring in the other ones. Just look at that. Just soak it in. I'm just going to grab them. Don't worry, my apartment's small. I didn't have to go far. So we'll look at those afterwards. And then we've got some gorgeous old Suffolk puffs here, or as they're called in the US, yo-yos, and in Australia. And we have a lovely little glassine envelope here. Oh, that is we can't get those. That's a cute little envelope, and it's sticky too. Look at that. I'll be keeping that. Oh my goodness, and you've sent me some beautiful buttons. Look how many you sent. Wow. Thank you so much, Anne. I love those. I guess you just stitched through the center of that one. Just beautiful. Wow. So kind and generous. Thank you so much, because they're really hard to come by. Really hard to come by. And then a lovely little package of, I love this. It's me right down to the ground. And a lovely package of fabrics to use when putting it all together. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I really do love it. I'm so sorry it's taken me some time to open it. It did go under my mess. Love this. Just gorgeous. Beautiful piece of old quilt. Might have to separate that because I wouldn't want to hide the back of it because I love both sides. Lovely strip of fabric. Isn't that pretty? That looks almost like Laura Ashley to me. I love that. And then oh, isn't that yummy? Oh, and it's got like a rip in it. It makes me like it even more. I love rips, holes, you know me. And then this beautiful piece. It's like a piece of upholstery fabric. Love the colours. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Wow. Hope you can all see. Beautiful check here. I haven't seen a check like that before. And then this looks Japanesey to me. It's really lovely. And then this as well, just beautiful. Look at that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much, Anne. Did I? Yes, I did see it all. The block is really gorgeous. I love the muted tones in it too. Really, really nice. Really, really am very thrilled with it. Now, I don't know if you guys will be able to see them all, but I'm going to pull out the blocks. I've got 5. I think I should have 5. Let me just, I'm pretty sure they're all in here. I had put them all in here, I thought. Or did I not? Yes, I did. I did. I know I did. I put them all in here, but where are they? They're not in there. They're the extras. Oh, dear. They must be here. Just a minute. I'm going to pause the video. My word, I have been in the biggest panic. It's probably been 15 minutes since I was last here. I couldn't find them. I thought I'd lost them, thrown them out by accident. Oh, my goodness. Anyway, they were all... I must have picked them up with a bundle of fabrics. Oh my goodness, total panic stations, total panic stations. Oh my goodness, this was Jeanette's from My Cottage Crafts. This is Susanna's, just gorgeous. This is, you won't be able to see them all, but this is Melanie's. And then this is Loretta's here. So that's what, I'll just move them up a bit. It'll be totally off screen, but that is how they are. Aren't they gorgeous? So so these two are bolder sort of colours, so I would put those there. And we don't know what my sister's is going to be because I haven't received it yet, but I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, how exciting. So exciting. And I think I'm going to make mine into a book. So yep, I have to start thinking about that. How cool. So thank you so much, Anne. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love the colours. The colours are just beautiful, muted and beautiful and old and yummy. I just love it. So thank you so much. And thank you to all you ladies and Susanna for organising such a wonderful challenge. And we will wait with bated breath for Sarah's to arrive, won't we? Yes, Sarah, we'll be waiting. I hope you've sent it, because I can't wait. And we want she's also sending us some Aussie Easter stuff too, Easter eggs. So I'll be looking forward to eating those. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Anne, and thank you also for all of your wonderful inspiration. It's just fabulous, and we are all having so much fun with all the wonderful things you have us doing. And yep, so everyone pop over and check Anne out and check out the other ladies. All of their links will be down below, and I will see you again soon. Bye.